Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of high-speed storage. That's right, we're counting down the top 5 best General 4 NVMe M.2 SSDs you can get right now. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just want your PC to fly, this list has something for you. Let's jump right into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the SanDisk G26 General 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. The SanDisk G26 General 4 NVMe M.2 SSD is built for speed and efficiency, offering a significant performance boost for anyone handling demanding digital workloads. With blazing read speeds of up to 5,150 MB/s, it's designed to keep up with the fast pace of modern computing, whether you're editing high-resolution videos, retouching detailed photos, or creating complex 3D renders. Backed by PCIe Gen 4.0 interface support, this SSD minimizes lag and enhances responsiveness, allowing users to multitask seamlessly across resource-heavy applications. Its efficient N-Cache 4.0 technology further boosts productivity by accelerating file copying and publishing times, making it easier to meet tight deadlines and handle large projects with ease. Offering capacities of up to 2 TB, the SanDisk G26 ensures you have ample room to store everything from your music and media libraries to professional documents and creative assets. Designed with user convenience in mind, installation is quick and straightforward. A single screw secures the drive into laptops or desktops equipped with a PCIe General M.2 2280 slot. To help maintain peak performance, the SSD is compatible with the Western Digital Dashboard, which provides real-time updates on the drive's health and status. The SanDisk G26 is more than just storage. It's a high-performance solution tailored for today's creators, professionals, and power users looking to push their systems further. Coming in at number 4, we have the Lexar NM790 General 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. The Lexar NM790 General 4 NVMe M.2 SSD brings cutting-edge storage technology to the forefront, combining blazing speed, power efficiency, and broad compatibility in a compact M.2 form factor. With sequential read speeds of up to 7,400 MB per second and write speeds reaching 6,500 MB per second, it delivers a performance level that significantly outpaces traditional PCIe Gen 3 SSDs, doubling the data transfer rate for faster game loading, smoother application launches, and more efficient file management. Engineered with an integrated heatsink, the NM790 is built to maintain thermal stability even during intensive tasks. This cooling feature not only helps preserve performance under pressure but also contributes to the SSD's long-term reliability and durability, backed by a robust 1000 TBW endurance rating. One of the standout elements of this drive is its power efficiency. Consuming up to 40% less power than DRAM cache-enabled PCIe Gen 4 SSDs, the NM790 is ideal for users seeking energy-conscious performance without sacrificing speed. Additionally, Lexar's implementation of Host Memory Buffer, HMB, 3.0 allows the SSD to tap into the host system's memory, activating a virtual DRAM cache for seamless performance and efficient multitasking. The NM790 is also PlayStation 5 compatible, making it a versatile upgrade for gamers looking to expand their storage without compromising performance. Whether you're building a high-speed PC or enhancing your console setup, the Lexar NM790 stands out as a modern storage solution designed for the demands of today's data-driven applications. At number 3, the Silicon Power P34A60 General 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. The Silicon Power P34A60 NVMe M.2 SSD delivers solid performance and efficiency for users looking to upgrade their storage solution. Built on the PCIe Gen 3 X4 interface, this SSD offers impressive sequential read speeds of up to 2200 MB/s and write speeds up to 1600 MB/s, ensuring faster boot times, quicker file transfers, and smooth application performance. Designed with durability in mind, the P34A60 offers a total bytes written (TBW) rating of 1200, providing a reliable lifespan for heavy workloads. Silicon Power backs this SSD with a warranty policy that takes into account both time and endurance. The warranty expires when either the warranty period or the TBW limit is reached, whichever comes first. Installation requires attention to compatibility. The drive uses an M key interface and is not compatible with B key sockets. This means it must be installed in systems equipped with an M.2 connector that exclusively supports the M key. Users should ensure their motherboard supports this configuration to avoid incompatibility issues. When installing the P34A60, note that a custom screw is typically needed to secure the drive in place. This screw is generally provided by the motherboard or PC manufacturer. If not included, users will need to contact their system manufacturer to obtain one. With a balanced mix of speed, endurance, and compatibility considerations, the Silicon Power P34A60 is a dependable choice for users looking to enhance their computing experience with faster and more reliable NVMe storage. In the second spot, we have the Western Digital SN770 General 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. The Western Digital SN770 General 4 NVMe M.2 SSD is designed to deliver a serious boost in speed and responsiveness for gamers and performance-driven users. With blazing fast sequential read speeds of up to 5,150 MB/s and write speeds reaching 4,850 MB/s, this SSD helps you power through load times and get straight into the action. Built with a PCIe Gen 4 interface, the SN770 is tailored to minimize stutter and improve in-game responsiveness. Whether you're loading expansive open worlds or switching between applications, the smooth performance helps ensure an uninterrupted experience. It also supports Microsoft's direct storage technology, which is key for next-gen gaming and faster load times in supported titles. Storage capacity is generous, with options up to 2 TB, giving you ample room for modern game libraries, updates, and downloadable content. This makes the SN770 a future-proof choice for gamers looking to keep pace with increasingly demanding software. The WD Black dashboard, available for Windows users, allows you to monitor the drive's performance and health in real time. You can also toggle on gaming mode for an optimized experience during high-intensity sessions. As part of Western Digital's trusted WD Black line, the SN770 combines reliability with cutting-edge speed, making it a solid choice for gamers and power users looking to elevate their system's performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Samsung 980 Pro General 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. The Samsung 980 Pro General 4 NVMe M.2 SSD is built for those who demand peak performance from their systems. As part of Samsung's next-generation storage lineup, the 980 Pro leverages PCIe 4.0 technology to deliver a massive leap in speed, offering up to 7,000 MB per second read speeds, which is twice the performance of PCIe 3.0 drives and 12 times faster than traditional SATA SSDs. At the heart of this SSD lies Samsung's in-house ELPSys controller, engineered to synchronize all components for optimal speed and stability. Every part of the drive, from the NAND flash to the firmware, is crafted by Samsung, ensuring seamless integration and long-lasting reliability. Designed with high-end gaming, demanding creative tasks, and data-intensive operations in mind, the 980 Pro supports rapid loading and smooth performance across applications. Whether you're rendering graphics, analyzing large datasets, or simply launching a game, this SSD reduces load times and maximizes responsiveness. Its compact M.2 2280 form factor allows easy installation in both laptops and desktops, making it a versatile choice for custom builds and upgrades alike. The design also supports improved power efficiency, aligning with modern high-performance computing needs. Thermal management is key to sustaining speed, and the 980 Pro addresses this with advanced heat control solutions. It features a nickel-coated controller and a heat spreader label, both working together to regulate temperatures and maintain peak performance during intense workloads. The Samsung 980 Pro General 4 NVMe M.2 SSD is more than just a storage device. It's a high-speed gateway to next-level computing.